Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to the Hoover Dam in the border of Nevada and Arizona. There is the scenic lake or river on the side of the way to the Hoover Dam. There is the Welcome to Hoover Dam sign. There is a lot of hills and mountains on the side of the road. There is a Hoover Dam security checkpoint to get into the real dam itself. We have arrived. You might be able to see the dam and the bridge from this point onwards. The bridge is called the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. There is the dam right there. There is a gift shop, restrooms, and a parking garage in that building over there. There is some kind of visitor center that I think is closed. There were a lot of people because this dam was pretty famous. We parked at the parking garage and then went to the elevator so we can come to the real dam itself. It was kind of crowded here. We had to walk a while to get to the river and the dam. the Hoover Dam is in the border of Nevada and Arizona, the two restrooms are also in different states. This is another viewpoint from the back of the Hoover Dam. This one shows a better view of the lake behind the dam. Thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and watch all of my other videos. Thank you.